Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoriaajibike and this is my YouTube channel. If this happens to be the first time here, you're welcome. In this video, I am going to be telling you how I make my own natural remedy for power. I make this remedy at home and it's been working really good for me in curing and stopping piles from coming into my body system. I know a lot of body have issues with piles. Any little sugar, you get piles and you don't feel comfortable in your body again. So if you want the remedy, please keep watching this video. I bet you. So pie has been such a really big deal for me. Like any little sugar and pie, stomach pain, back pain, anus pain, and that. And I love chocolate so much. So I take a lot of flagyl and other over-the-counter drugs, but it's not working. So then my mom said I should just be trying this Saint leaf, and I have been doing that for a couple of times now, and I bet you it's been working. Like, yeah, I feel so good. I take whatever I want to take and I feel so good and so light. So I'm going to be showing you the secret and how I use my saint leaf, called ephedrine in my language, to battle pile and win. So come with me as we go to my mommy's garden. I'm sure you will like to be there. Let's go. So guys, here we are and I welcome you to my mommy's garden. So we are going to be taking this leaf called saint leaf. Yeah, it's called saint leaf and that's what I use. So I am going to be showing you how I go about it in this video. Saint leaf contains magnesium, potassium, manganese, copper, lead, zinc, nitrogen, iron, sodium, calcium, cadmium, chromium, and so many other elements. So I have gotten the saint leaf from the garden and right now I'm picking it. Yeah, so this is it after being picked. The trees have been removed and we have only the leaf here. So I'm going to be washing it and this is it in a clean water, being washed and taken out of water. It's been taken out of water right now so that we have all the dirt removed and it's now new and pure. So I am going to squeeze out the water from it. I am not adding anything, it's just the leaf alone. So you just squeeze the leaf. You don't need to add water or lime or salt. Some people add water, lime, salt and other things, but I am not going to add anything. It's just the simply alone. You can see it's getting shrinked and the waters are getting drained out of it. So I will remove the leaf and I have just the juice. So this is what the saint leaf juice looks like. It's so thick. It's really thick and we now have the juice. It's dark green and it's really nutritious. So this is it. So guys, with saint leaf, excess sugar will not have weight in your body. You will just be fine. You will not have too much of sugar in your body system, and it has a way of helping you to diet. It will aid digestion. It will get your body really good light, and it will make you healthy. It will shed off all those excess sugar. It is really good for burning tummy fat. It also heals ulcer. Yeah, it heals ulcer and it's just cool. It has numerous functions, I bet you. So try it. So thank you for watching my video to the end. Thank you for visiting my mom's garden with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do that now. Do well to subscribe now. I love you and have a great day. Bye.